Firstly, take the power shift hub out of the box. Remove the lock ring and insert the hub into the hub shell. Attach the hub lock ring onto the non-drive side and tighten to 40 Nm with a cassette tool. Remove the cassette and take out the spacer. Fix this onto the power shift hub before applying the cassette. Cassettes starting with a 10-tooth sprocket are only compatible with a power shift hub CD27. Cassettes starting with 11-tooth sprockets can be used both on the power shift hub ETS and power shift hub CD27. For CD27, please use the CD27 to 11-tooth adapter and CD27 X11 cassette lock ring. The cassette sits neatly into the grooves of the hub. Tighten the cassette lock ring to 40 Nm.